Okay, I got a video for you guys who are having problems with your old Xbox, the original Xbox One. We can't start up. First of all, I think I'm going to have a lot of comments. Anyways, what I did was I took the original Xbox 360 power supply and I spliced the cables and connected this part that goes into the back of the Xbox. Snip. Bada bing, bada boom. So I hooked it up. There's about 6 cords inside here, inside this cord, that you have to connect with each side. There's one red one blue one, 2 yellow, 2 black, and that's all you hook up. You don't hook up the white one because this 360 cord has a couple extra cords in it that you don't need to hook up. You just need to tape them off with electrical tape. What I did was, and you have to make sure that no cords are touching, like copper or lead, whatever type of wiring they use. Make sure everything's taped off on the inside, and then, make a nice little protective tape seal right there. And so let's plug it in, and I'll show you that the Xbox works. I'm actually using this cord for the old broken power supply. I'm using the power cord to power this one because it's the same cord, because I couldn't find my old one. Yeah, I couldn't find my 360 cord. I'm gonna put this down real quick. Oh no, I'm not gonna put it down. Okay. This is my first video, and I have a feeling it's gonna get a lot of comments. Alright. Sorry for the shaky camera. Just using my cell phone. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in real quick. See, it has two prong. Put this down real quick so I can plug it in. See, it's plugged in. Got it plugged into the power. Orange light came on. Alright, now let's plug this bad boy in. Let's plug this in. Plugged it into the back. Notice how the orange light turned green. Ready? Oh, I thought I was gonna not work for a second. I pressed it once. There you go. It's on. Got the game going. Hey. So, there you go. It started up. Leave me a comment or a like if you can. It's my first video, like I said. Alright, guys. Take care. Actually, let's give you a second so you can see it start up. There it is. Now those terabyte hard drives, I don't know if it burned out my original power supply, so I'm thinking about just downloading the game that I play a lot, and using my 250 gig built-in hard drive so I don't fry out my original old 360 power supply over there. You guys can see it right there. It's green, it's working.